is hygiene. Gather calcium carbonate from seaweed and blend it with oil, and the reaction makes soap. This world is brutal, and getting sick means game over. But a little chunk that gets rid of harmful germs is a lifesaver in a world without doctors. You can call it Dr.Stone.
Today, we'll show you how to make soap using principles from the series. In Dr.Stone, Senku uses natural resources. We're using vegetable oil, lye, distilled water, and optional oils for fragrance. Mix sodium hydroxide and water. When you mix sodium hydroxide and water, an exothermic chemical reaction occurs, creating a strong alkaline solution known as sodium hydroxide solution or caustic soda solution. This is an exothermic reaction which releases energy in the form of heat to its surroundings. Let it cool down. Pour the sodium hydroxide water mixture into the oil and stir continuously. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens, resembling pudding. Pour into molds. Use any mold you like to create unique shapes. Allow the soap to cure for more than 24 hours, giving it time to harden and become gentle on the skin.